In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import leads in Zoho CRM. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to bring a spreadsheet of prospects into your Zoho account using the built-in import tool. Before we start, make sure you're signed into your Zoho CRM and that you have a clean CSV or Excel file ready. It helps to include clear column headers like first name, last name, company, email, and phone, so Zoho can recognize your data more easily. If your file includes extra notes, keep them in separate columns with simple names and remove any blank header rows. First, open your browser and go to crm.zoho.com. Sign in if you're prompted. Once you're in, look at the left-hand menu and click Sales. This is where the main modules for your pipeline live, and it ensures you're in the right workspace for everything related to opportunities and outreach. Next, select Leads. This takes you to the Leads module where you can view existing records or add new ones. At the top, you'll notice options to create a single lead manually, but since we're bringing in many at once, we'll use the import feature. Click the Create Lead dropdown. Instead of the single lead form, choose the option to import. Now click Import Leads. This opens Zoho's import wizard, which walks you through the process step by step. On the From File section, click Browse. Navigate to the folder where your spreadsheet lives. If possible, use a CSV or a simple Excel file without merged cells, hidden sheets, or complex formatting. Keep only one header row and avoid special characters in your headers so the mapping step later is smoother. Select your file and click Open. Take a moment to confirm you picked the correct version, especially if you have multiple drafts. A helpful tip here: make sure each lead has at least one unique identifier like an email or phone, so Zoho can flag potential duplicates accurately. Now click Next. Zoho will display a preview of your data and guide you through mapping your file's columns to Zoho CRM fields. You'll also see options related to handling duplicates, setting record owners, and triggering workflows. Review these carefully, confirm the matches look correct, and proceed through the on-screen prompts to complete the import. After the import finishes, you'll get a summary with the number of successful records and any rows that need attention. If you're importing for the first time, consider testing with a small sample file to validate your headers and formatting before running a full import. That's it, your leads are now in Zoho CRM and ready for follow-up.